What's going on, My Singing Monsters fans? Today I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of the My Singing Monsters, guys. So this is a mod, and it's really bizarre because you can actually get unlimited diamonds. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So it's pretty cool. I just enabled unlimited diamonds. Let's see if they start to rise. So currently there's no change in the game, but it may arrive shortly. So come on now, this has to work. Let's see. Oh, look at that. So as you can see, guys, my diamonds are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this My Singing Monsters hack for iOS and Android. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this, bro. All right, so first thing we're going to do is go over to tweakmod.com. We're going to type in My Singing Monsters, bro. I think it's on this site. And then you can see right here, press install. And we're just going to wait for it to download, okay? So let's just give it a second. So yeah, it should work. So let's just see what happens once it downloads. So yeah, I'm just going to give it a second here to go ahead and load. So let's just let it do its thing. So basically there is a verification at the end where you do have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions, but they're 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So basically, guys, it's going to say missing files. So you got to download 2 of the apps. So there's all these different apps, and there's only 2 of them. So complete 2. So you don't have to do a specific 2, just do 2. So for instance, Travel Town, this is a game. It told me I had to be level 10, right? So just download it. I'm on an Android, so it brought me to the Play Store. But all I have to do is reach level 9, bro. We got Misplay, downstall, play 4 games for 5 minutes. Once again, it's just going to bring me to the Play Store. TikTok one is dumb because I already have TikTok, but that's down and run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you do 2 of the apps, and you will get the My Singing Monsters mod with unlimited diamonds, guys, fully working. VIP, we have skip ads, tons of features in here, guys. So this is fully working, so be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if My Singing Monsters is your game, I'm the one to bring you the mod, bro. This actually works, guys. It's so crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but tell your friends about it, guys, because this is so cool and it's updated and everything. So hope you enjoyed it. I don't really like making videos about mods because I'm not like 100% sure it's going to work into the future. But TweakMod is like a trusted site, so I'm completely on board with them. They're going to be working far into the future, I think. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, bro.